Hey everybody, it's Cindy Bloom in Chicago, and today it's a pretty snowy but yet cold day. But I wanted to come out here and talk to you about Nspire Network and actually why I decided to partner with this amazing company. Number one, when I was introduced to this company, I was not feeling well and I was not aware of the information that is part of the Now We Know campaign. So if you don't know about the Now We Know campaign, check it out. It's at nowweknow.net. This campaign literally changed my life. I was lying in bed sick when I found out about this campaign, and now I know why. So I became so passionate that I dropped everything else that I was doing to literally help share this campaign. Now, I'm a business person, and I like to say that I'm an educated business person, and I've been in part of several companies. Nspire Network is a company that has phenomenal leadership. The integrity, the mission, and the people are what makes this company one that I will stand by forever. But we have a product that literally is helping women change their life, change the way they feel on a monthly basis. We have products for men that will help them with problems that they don't like to talk about. We are addressing situations in Nspire Network that are going to help people be able to speak about things that we weren't able to speak about before. And not only are we able to speak about them and educate people on them, but we provide solutions with both our cherished sanitary napkins and our amazing line of nutraceutical products. We are coming out with a bunch more products, but all of them are healthy and better choices. And once you know better, you can do better. So I'd love you to check out our products at my website. It's called womenwecherish.com. You'll see all of the products there that you can purchase. And also, while you're here, I'd like you to make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have a lot of videos coming out and I don't want you to miss one. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out the link in the description below, Women We Cherish, for information about the Nspire Network product line. If you guys have questions or you want to reach me, you can find me on Facebook at Cindy Bloom. Send me a message. Let me know if you want to start rocking with Nspire Network and helping educate people around the world. I would love to speak with you. So, in the link below, there's a way to contact me. Let's get in contact. If not, just buy the products because you're never going to find a more phenomenal product than the ones Nspire Network has. Okay, dogs are barking, which means this video must end. Have a great day. Stay inspired. This is Cindy Bloom.